Hi, helicopter train. What does the helicopter train say?
Hi, yellow car.
Hi, yellow car.
Hi, what are you doing?
Hey, yellow car.
Hi, yellow pig.
We're checking out the cool helicopter train that Pike and Mommy made. Whoa. Do the propellers spin on the helicopter train, Pikey? Whoa. Look at that.
Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Have a bubble do.
Hey, yellow cars. I'm hanging out with Pikey and Mommy, checking things out. Going on a little trip.
Yes, it did, Mama, me, your bow. Yes, it did, Mama, me. Mama, me, your bow.
You want us to come with you?
Yeah.
All right, we're coming. Here we come.
Donate to me. Donate to me.
Connect to them? That is a new challenge. We're going to have to figure out how to connect them.
Boop. Boop.
Oh, that's a challenge. I don't know if we can. We have to figure out how to connect them so that they'll stay.